When you see an inflatable hot tub, you probably think of a giant glorified kiddie pool that's going to pop the second you sit in it. And that's why with all the hype around the Intex PureSpa Hot Tub, I knew it was worth a closer look. So here's the reality of owning one. First, the durability. Because if the walls can't handle a full season, the rest of the features are irrelevant. Intex uses a FiberTech internal structure, which is just a fancy way of saying there are thousands of high-strength polyester fibers inside the PVC. This is what keeps the tub from bulging or warping under the weight of 210 gallons of water. But the floor is thin, and without the included bubble mat underneath, it feels uncomfortable. If you forget to lay that mat down before filling, you'll have to drain the entire tub just to fix it. Durability aside, the actual setup is where most people get nervous. But it's surprisingly easy because the inflation system is built into the pump itself. You just connect the hose to the control base, hit the bubble button, and it's fully inflated in under 5 minutes. The connections between the pump and the tub are all hand-tightened valves, so no tools are required. And once the shell is up, the real work is just waiting on your garden hose to dump the water into it. Since it runs on a standard 110 to 120 volt outlet, you don't need an electrician to wire a dedicated 240 volt line, which is the highest hidden cost of built-in hot tubs. The biggest reality check with this tub is the heating time. Once the tub is filled, you may not be hopping in that night. The PureSpa heats at roughly 2 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, which means going from cold tap water to a comfortable soak takes anywhere from 18 to 24 hours. A lot of first-time owners get excited, rush through setup, and then sit there staring at lukewarm water, wondering what went wrong. Nothing's broken, that's just how these heaters work. The workaround is to set it up in the morning, let it run overnight, and by the next evening, you're ready. You can even program the heater to kick on 0 to 120 hours before you use it, which is the only way to avoid paying for 24/7 heating on your electric bill if you're only a weekend user. Now, what actually sets this apart from cheaper inflatable tubs is the saltwater saturation system. Instead of constantly dosing chlorine, you add about 4.4 to 5.5 pounds of sodium chloride, not iodized, not table salt, and the system converts it into chlorine automatically. It's gentler on sensitive skin and requires far less hands-on chemical management. One mistake to avoid though, when adding salt, run the bubbles to help it dissolve, but keep the sanitation function off until the salt is fully dissolved.